Hello there, gents. All four of you, maybe five of you. I don't know if any of you have joined. I'm just doing a little update. It is Saturday today. My back's been hurting for about a week. I haven't done anything to it. It just starts to hurt every now and then. And we've booked the bead blasting for this Tuesday. Well, the haulage is taking the car this Tuesday. I don't know what's the date, about 20th of October, something like that we're in. And I'm going to show you Kate if I know how to turn her around. There we go. So Kate's on the spit. I've just been spending a couple of hours reinforcing the structure so it's safe. You can see the boltage in there as well. This is the rotating mechanism with the latch, so you can lock it in any position you want. So I've just been, it's on wheels as well. One of them is braked, it's got a brake on it. I have been trying to remove some of the soundproofing, which is really difficult, and then brushing, removing the substance for transport so it doesn't all blow out in the motorway, because there's a few loose screws there and stuff like that. I've swept the rear, and these are just a few of the tools I've been using today. I have got some nice bits. Oh, the bonnet. That came here yesterday. Beautiful, from a gentleman called Richard down south in Wales. I think it's an RS 3100 bonnet. It is in absolutely beautiful condition. That's just dust. So we're going to be painting this anyway. But it is gorgeous. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. So this has got the different light thing to suit the original bezels which came with it. These are the aluminium bezels, originals. So there's two of those, and also we've got, what else have we got? Oh yeah, the correct bowls for the headlight conversion. These are the bowls, metal. I think they've been edge primed or something. And also the grill, the 3100 grill, which is the correct grill for this conversion. It's a bit shorter and it's got a pointier nose. So I'm very, very pleased with these original parts. So there you go, gents. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. It means a lot, and it has a lot of effect of what we're doing here, your encouragement. So do leave us a comment and a like. Really appreciate it. So Gav's going to be posting a video tonight of us spit roasting Kate, turning her around, and yeah, onwards and upwards. Thanks for sticking with us. Have a nice day. Bye.